So I went out this morning and I harvested some zucchini and some greens, and so I'm shredding the zucchini because I'm going to make zucchini strips. Chips. I'm putting them in the dehydrator today, and I don't know what this thing is called, but I've been slicing them on this, so I'm gonna put the phone down so I can not cut my hands off. But I shred them up, and some of them I shredded using this. And I've already got a tray of those in the dehydrator, and I'm going to put these in the dehydrator next, and then I'll show you a picture of them. Zucchini all cut up. This is just one tray. And I'm seasoning it because I like dill. I don't like a whole bunch of different flavors, but I do like dill. So I'm putting dill all over them. And then I'm going to stick them in the dehydrator. I may put a few other things on it, I'm not sure, but now just dill. I'm going to spray them with some cooking spray. And I'm going to stick them in the dehydrator for about 12 hours, and it's at about 135, 140. I already have the shredded zucchini in here, and the tomatoes, the little bitty tomatoes with some zucchini slices in there. So I'm going to keep stacking the trays on top of each other. And this is called a magic air. Jan gave me this because her son is a chef and he gets her all kinds of stuff and she doesn't want it. So then she gives it to me, which is where I got this and the air fryer. But anyway, and I make good use of it. Dehydrated squash that I did yesterday. You can hear them, they're pretty crunchy. And these are the ones that I shredded. These will be good on salads, or you can put them in soup or whatever, but they have to be stored with one of those moisture things, you know. Anyway, just wanted you to see them. This is the result of the shredded zucchini and the sliced